Go ahead. Put it on top of him very delicately.
Oh, I'm sorry. Like that?
And then pull it on the connect from the sides.
I'm sorry, birdie.
Scoop them up from the sides.
Sorry, birdie.
Just grab him from the sides.
I don't want to hurt him.
You're not going to hurt him. You're going to do fine. Okay, you got him. And then let it go.
Sorry, birdie.
Now if he flies away, he's fine.
No.
But if he doesn't, you need some time to get over his shock. Just pull it away. Don't get near his beak so you don't get back if he gets angry. Just pull it from behind. Yep, let him tumble out of it.
It's mean.
He'll be fine.
I'm sorry, birdie.
Now we're going to close it so he doesn't have a lot of things to worry about. Okay, we're going to keep him. Yep, go ahead and lift it up.
Okay.
And if he gets hungry, he'll have something to eat.
I just don't want it to fall over.
I think he'll be fine.
Here. Okay, little guy. Bring a bit more space.
I think he'll be fine. We want extra